A rare 3-story penthouse bordering the Novena district, this freehold 4-bedder at Thomson 800 is on the market. Hi, I'm Yvonne Megan. Join me as I show you around this serene estate in an excellent location. Situated along prime Thomson Road, Thomson 800 is a freehold high-rise condo overlooking MacRitchie Reservoir, where you can look forward to ample outdoor activities to spend the weekend. Travel is made effortless with several bus stops at your doorstep, and Caldecott MRT a mere 7 minutes walk away, bringing you to Junction 8 in 2 MRT stops for abundant amenities. Those who drive will appreciate the easy access to CTE and PIE for swift island-wide commute. For those with children, CHIJ Primary Toa Payoh is within 1 km, while Catholic High is within 2. Thomson 800 offers a variety of full condo facilities, including an array of pristine pools, gym, tennis court, basketball court, and even a putting green. Here we are in this grand 3,563 square feet penthouse with a high 6-meter ceiling in the living. Boasting generous living space on the first floor, play the perfect host to guests or unwind with the entire family while watching your favorite shows. Polished floor and a high ceiling create a stately ambiance, enhanced by the natural light flooding in through the large windows. Stand up to bask in the refreshing air and serene unblocked view of the reservoir and skyline from your balcony. Be treated to a free display of fireworks every National Day. Have intimate meals in the cozy dining space. Head into the enclosed kitchen, well equipped with hook and hob to whip out your meals. The back extends into a yard, ideal for laundry. The junior master on the first floor has plenty of space to fit additional daybed, massage chair, and other furniture to fit your needs. Have the option of using this as a comfy bedroom or a conducive study space for a work-from-home lifestyle. Let's head upstairs to the spacious bedroom for rest. The master room has plenty of space to fit a king-size bed and even have a curved window overlooking the greenery that enhance its majestic charm. Easily freshened up in a marble-clad ensuite bath, immaculately fitted with a bathtub and pristine fittings. All the common rooms have ample space to fit a queen-size bed and fitted wardrobe. One of the common rooms has been transformed into a children's bedroom with a unique built-in double-decker bed frame that is sure to lull your kids to sleep quickly. Before heading to the roof, let's check out this spacious family area overlooking the living. Making full use of the space, the owners have transformed it into an entertainment area, complete with full-length curtains to block out light, projector screen, and pull-down beds. Enjoy the privacy and comfort of your stay-home movie screening. Finally, arrive at your private rooftop to better enjoy the expansive view of the greenery. Invite guests out for ALFRESCO dining experience or turn this into a lovely roofed garden. An immense space comparable to a landed house, yet featuring fantastic views and top-notch facilities. Don't miss this opportunity to make this rare freehold 4-bedder penthouse at Thomson 800 yours today. I'm Yvonne Megan. Contact me for exclusive viewing. See you!